listen, I need your help. If you are a BD member, you will know we've got a lot going on at the minute. At the end of this month, we have got a football match at Chelsea Stamford Bridge. I still can't believe this. Go Markets have put it all on for us, free to the BD members. We are having a game of football at Stamford Bridge, the actual Chelsea football pitch, against a load of institutional traders. They put it all on for us for free drinks. It's just going to be insane. I've put a team together for BD members. I'm the captain. And yeah, it's going to be insane. That's the end of this month. A week later, we have got our award ceremony. So here, last year, I won FX Learning, won Forex Trading School of the Year for Leicestershire. And we've won it again for this year. I mean, insane. I want to share a big shout out to everybody that voted for me. Honestly, it's mind blowing. I didn't think we would be in this situation, but yeah, our second award. So at the end of May, we've got the award ceremony for that, where all the BD members can again come to. And also in July, we've got our 6-year anniversary party. Yes, you have had me for 6 years with the Binary Destroyer, making these videos, teaching you lovely lot to trade. So yeah, we're going to have a big party down in London. If you want to be involved with that, then reach out to me. Anyway, the reason for this is because of this special occasion, because I'm going to Stamford Bridge, because I'm going to all these events with the BD members, I thought about wrapping my Lamborghini, okay? Now, these are the colours that I've came up with. Okay, hold on. Okay, so these are the colours that I have chosen. And yes, I know what you're saying, green. Why are you wrapping your car green? So let's just go through the colours. Okay, so I have chosen for the car, not that one, because that one's rubbish. I definitely don't like that one. That's like a bogey colour, and nobody likes that one. Is these two here. So please give me your honest opinion. So my idea is, okay, I'm going to wrap my car in this green here. I'm going to put the Binary Destroyer logo on it. So when we go down to London and we have a game of football on Chelsea football pitch, everybody will know when the BD members beat everyone and we win the tournament. I'll be like, yes, this is us. We are the BD members. And yeah, it's going to be insane. But I have chosen this colour here. No, this one. This one. Definitely this one. So this is the colour that I have chosen. It is matte wasabi green. Now, I want your honest opinion. Should I wrap it that colour or not? It's currently white. I think I should, just because we've got a lot going on. And you know what? The reason why I got into trading was simply to buy a Lamborghini. That's literally the main reason why I got into trading. Was for no other reason at all. I didn't think that I'd be quitting my job. I didn't think that it would, allow me to have the life I did. The only thing I cared about was, yeah, I just want a really nice car. My dream car is a Lamborghini. If I can afford that from trading, I'll be happy. And yeah, here we are 6 years later, and yeah, it's kind of just growing and growing. It's mad. But anyway, give me your opinion. In today's video, you're going to watch me trade with the BD members. We make about £500. And yeah, please let me know, should I wrap it that colour? If you've got any other colours, let me know. I definitely think that colour, but you are the BD members, you let me know. Just short in GU before London Open. Today's time or date is the 3rd of May, 7:44, 15 minutes before London Open. And we've already banked some buys on Euro USD. Just want to break down Euro USD for you. Having a trading session with the members. Awesome. I'm building confidence the same. I took the EU trade as well. Got 10 pips. Yay. We made some money before 8 a.m. 1-to-1 against the trend. 1-to-2 with the trend. TP hit on Euro USD. A lot of other BD members took it as well. Just want to break it down for you. So Euro USD, quite simple. We had a MOGY signal there. MACD had gone oversold. We had a 10 pip stop loss on this one. So we had a 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit, 1-to-1 against the trend. So 10 pip stop loss was around here, and the trade hit perfectly 10 pips. So you can see here, 11 pips currently. If we just go to some price action, and we head over to the 15-minute charts. Apologies, I needed to bring my software up so I could draw on the screen. So as you can see here, Euro USD on the 15-minute charts is an uptrend. You can see here how it's creating higher highs and higher lows. So high, previous high, and etc. like that there. You can see it's in an upwards movement. So I was looking for a buy from a possible support line, and we can see we had this mini area just there. So basically 15-minute charts, we came down to the support line, we popped a Mogwai signal, and we took it up for a nice little one-to-one against the trend. The reason why I said it's against the trend is if we just go to the 1 hour charts, we've got sellers at these positions. So we're going to have sellers here and we're going to have buyers here trying to push price up. So we kind of got a conflict of interest here. I'm not particularly interested in holding this position and trying to get manipulated between the sellers and buyers. So nice little one-on-one scalp, nothing worry with that one. 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. I've just entered a sell on GU at the minute. So I'm just going to set a, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let the BD's members know, entered a sell on GU, Mog arrow. There we go there. Okay, right, so let's just have a quick look on GU. So GU is currently got a Mogwai signal. Let's just go to some price action here. We're going to go to the 15-minute charts. And again, what we've got here is, I believe, a possible liquidity sweep. So this is going to be interesting. So if we go to 1 hour charts, we can see we're clearly in a downtrend. Okay, again, price is making lower lows, lower highs. So you can see here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, etc. Okay, so I know there's a lot of sellers into play. However, I know there's also a lot of sellers, which means a lot of stop losses are going to be placed at this level here. So I'm expecting a liquidity sweep, perhaps a move up and then a drop here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to manually watch this. I'm going to put my stop loss above the high. So I'm going to put my stop loss of around, I'll put my stop loss around 20 pips, and I won't actually set a take profit on this one. I will watch it. I'll watch it, perhaps go for a 1-to-1, or if we can, we might be able to get a 1-to-3 out of this one. So going back to the setup here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a stop loss of minus 20 pips. And what I'll do is I'll put a take profit of 25 pips just in case price spikes down and hits my take profit. But what I will do is I will manually watch this. So there you go there. The trade is now set. Stop loss and entry point and take profit. I'll update you again shortly on this position. I'm also going to be taking a sell on gold as well. So let me just load up here. So gold XAU USD. And again, we'll go for one lot on this one. Okay. So this is pretty much exactly the same as the last setup. So as you can see here, to go to some naked price action, we go to the 15-minute charts, and what we have here is we have a significant level here. You can clearly see it. And if you just zoom in as well, you can see that it looks like price has come down here and potentially pulled back here. So we are looking for a sell to take it down. If we just have a quick look at the 1 hour as well, you can see a nice area of resistance. We could see a possible liquidity sweep and then a drop down. So what I will do is, again, I'll manually watch this like I'm currently doing on GU. Again, the reason for my entry point was basically a Mogwai signal. MACD had gone overbought, and as you can see here, the trade is currently, both trades are currently fluctuating at the minute. It's about 7 minutes before London Open, so I will update you again shortly. The BD members are having a good trading session so far. It's been a good session before London opens, with a nice little buy on GAUD again there. So yeah, I'll update you again shortly on this position. Hi, just an update on that position. So gold has done perfectly what we have expected. So if we do charts here, gold is currently sitting at around 100 pips. I've got a 200 pip take profit on there. I haven't actually set a stop loss. Like I said, I'm going to manage it. Gold, GPUSD, again, I've set my stop loss and take profit on that. It's just a case of managing it. We should hopefully hit take profit 120 pips, 120. But that's an update. Again, I will give you an update shortly on this position. Update on those positions. So gold worked out perfectly. As you can see here, I actually kind of gutted that I didn't have a bigger take profit on this, but beautiful. GPUSD unfortunately stopped me out. Now I knew kind of GPUSD was going to go a little bit higher, hence why I had a wider stop loss on it. just giving an update on the actual trade. So you can see here, those are the gold, the buys I took on Euro USD. GPUSD was the stop out, and gold was there. I risked more than what I'd like to have risked on GPUSD. That's mainly because, like I said, I had to have a wider stop loss. I kind of knew in the back of my mind that GPUSD was going to push a little bit higher, but it doesn't mean that the trade is now invalid. Okay, if we just let's reanalyze the setup, let's go to the 15-minute charts. Okay, we're pushing higher, so it doesn't possibly look like a liquidity sweep at the minute, because if you're getting a liquidity sweep, you're going to get a big move up and a big move down. So what we would look at the 1 hour charts. Okay, so 1 hour charts has come to an area of interest here, which is going to be interesting, because looking here, we could see a possible rejection from this. So what I might actually do now is, if I go to the 1 minute charts, if I've got a Mogwai signal at this level, we have perfect. Okay, so I'm going to be re-entering my sell again on GPUSD. I'm going to see if I can get my pips back again. We'll just go for a 1-to-1 on this. We're already in profit for the day, which is not bad. See if we can finish the day off at around £200-300, which will be nice. Again, we'll put a wide stop loss on this just to factor in. A lot of BDM said it will come down now. Yes, I know it's at the next level. Sorry, look, I was just replying to the BDM. Sorry, I was on the phone. Okay, gold hit TP, GU hit SL. I am screen recording, so I had to take this on my phone. Yes, I know it's at the next level. So what we'll do on this one is same again. We're just going to put a wide stop loss just to factor in any more movement to the upside, because like I said, we are pushing higher at the minute. But it looks like on the 1 hour chart, sellers are going to start to maybe come into play now and push price down. So what we'll do is, again, we'll just put a stop loss of around 15 pips on this. So stop loss minus 15 pips. And what we'll try and do is we'll go for a nice little 1-to-1 scalp on this one. We should be able to get... we should be able to win this quite comfortably. So again, I'll update you shortly on this position. Just a quick update on GPUSD. It's been around 20 minutes now, and to be honest with you, price has consolidated for a while. I just showed you in here, it's still just ticking over. It kind of went in drawdown, went in back in profit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to this position now, because it's starting to do what I want it to do. The only time I tend to add to my positions is when the trade is in my favor. What you don't want to do is do the opposite. You know, as soon as the trade starts going in drawdown, you want to start adding to your position. You do not want to do that. So now, as the trade's starting to come down in profit, we've got a Mogwai signal on the 5-minute time frame as well, and on the 15 you can see a Mogwai signal. So everything's looking up nicely. MACD's peaked over. I know it's at an area of resistance, so yes, I'm going to look to target down for around 20 to 30 pips to the bottom zone. I'll update you again shortly on this trade. So update on GPUSD. It's been a couple of hours now since we took the trade, around 3 or 4 hours, and the trade played out perfectly, exactly what I expected it to do. I actually added to my position with the BD members. So basically, if a trade is doing what you expect it to do, you know, it's going into the direction of your trade, there's nothing wrong with adding to your position. What you don't want to do as a trader is do the opposite. If a trade's going against you, you don't want to keep adding to your position to try and get yourself out of it, because that only ends badly. The way you want to do it is you want to take a trade, you want to set your stop loss and take profit. Now, we did actually set, if I can remember, because it's been around 3 hours now, if I remember, we got stopped out on this trade, didn't we? And I re-entered it at a better price. So just want to show you the results. So these are today's results. Nice little £430 banked. We obviously had that loss first on GPUSD, and then I re-entered at this level here, and then we entered a few more times and just kept riding it all the way down. So let me just give you a breakdown again on why I took this setup. So if we just have a quick look at the price action here, as you can see, price is making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so are there buyers or sellers in the market? There are sellers in the market. Now, I think if I can remember correctly, we took a sell at this level here, and I put my stop loss out the way. Okay, I remember having a wide stop loss, and then unfortunately I got stopped out, and we re-entered at the top here, because if we just zoom in, this is still a significant level. Okay, there's still a strong indication that this could possibly come down. Okay, it might chop around for a bit. Obviously it's come down, trend down, pull back, trend down, pull back, trend down, and then it's kind of come up. We had a nice little perhaps sell here with the trend. It's come up here again, we took it back down here, and yeah, the next move is kind of really important here, because if this is in a downtrend, it's going to continue all the way down here, and if it doesn't, it might find a support level perhaps somewhere around here, which is probably what it's doing now, and it could be going up like this here. But the problem is you're going to have sellers here, you're going to have buyers here, and we don't want to be trading when there's like that. We either want sellers and be going with the trend, or buyers and going with the uptrend. We don't want to be having a conflict of interest between buyers and sellers. So if we just go over to the 5-minute charts, I think it was, it's the 15-minute charts. There we go there. You will see the setup that we took on the 15-minute charts. And yeah, we just pretty much rode it down. I mean, you know, it was a good setup. Can't go wrong with it. We had a 25, 30 pips take profit. Played out perfectly. So that's an update on GPUSD. That is today's trading session finished and completed for the 3rd of May. Have an awesome trading week. My name's Jamie Palmer. If you have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.